Hello all. Hi. Let me begin with first thanking IADS, Dr. Navneet Pathak, Dr. Vora, and all others who asked me to speak on this forum for 5 to 10 minutes. And here I am to give you some classical tips about fixed prosthodontics, or rather crown and bridge work, which is my core subject. As I teach in my courses of crown and bridge hands-on programs, the most important thing which you should all remember is the concept of tooth preparation. And the concept begins with step one. You should first decide clinically and radiologically the type of restoration which you're going to do for a particular tooth. Once you have selected the restoration, by looking into the clinical aspect, the radiological aspect, and also the economical aspect as to what the patient can afford, then you as a dentist should know what kind of finish line a particular restoration needs. Example, a full metal cobalt chrome crown or a nickel chrome crown needs a 0.3 millimeter chamfer, which is, say, this shape. This is knife edge, this is chamfer, this is chamfer, so 0.3 mm. If you have selected a restoration which is a PFM restoration, porcelain fused to metal, non-precious or semi-precious or precious alloy, or even titanium, then you need a 90-degree shoulder, where the width of this shoulder from the external line angle to internal line angle is 1 millimeter. If you selected a zirconia with porcelain restoration, then you need a deep chamfer, which is also 1 millimeter width to accommodate the zirconia and the porcelain on top. If you selected only zirconia, which is wrongly actually called monolithic zirconia, then you need barely 0.5 millimeter of a modified chamfer. That's the thickness what the crown needs cervically at the finish line. So you could call it a modified chamfer. So similarly, if you're doing lithium disilicate restorations, the #1 restorative material of the world as of today, then you would need anywhere between a 0.3 millimeter chamfer or just a 0.5 millimeter modified chamfer. That's minimally prep crowns, you could say, and bondable, most important. So as per the type of restoration goes the finish line. And the last secret of the day. As per the finish line, we select the diamond point or the burr to do the tooth preparation. So example, if you had to do a chamfer preparation, select the burr which is of this shape, torpedo diamond, and use half its diameter into the body of the tooth. So if this burr is 0.6 millimeter diameter, and if we need 0.3 for a cobalt chrome or a nickel chromium crown, we need to sink it half its diameter into the body of the tooth. If you have to do a PFM crown, which is a 90-degree shoulder, then we need to select a burr which is tapered flattened, which is 1 millimeter diameter, and we need to sink it 1 full millimeter depth groove and join those depth groove to get your 90-degree shoulder. If you are making zirconia with porcelain and you need a 1 mm deep chamfer, then we need a tapered round end burr. So always complete what you need. With the other hand, just complete the shape and you will get the type of burr which you want. So a tapered round end burr with 1 millimeter tip diameter. If you wanted to do a zirconia only or a full contour zirconia crown, then you need to sink the same burr half its diameter into the body of the tooth to get your 0.5 millimeter. And same way for lithium disilicate too. So 3 simple tips, just a revision. First, select the type of restoration as per the clinical, radiological, and economical concepts. As per the selected restoration, we as dentists should know the type of finish line. As per the finish line, we need to select the type of burr and then proceed in a proper step-by-step protocol for tooth preparation. So that's the tip for today. Thank you so much, everybody. See you sometime, somewhere again. Thank you, IADS, once more.